Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to another video, and I have for you a little Dollar Tree haul. I'm actually sitting in my car in the parking lot of Dollar Tree because I just want to film this now before I get home since I have some me time to myself. I just decided I wanted to go to Dollar Tree and peruse around and kind of see what they had. It is a Wednesday and normally I hit Dollar Trees on Fridays, so I kind of wanted to see if there was different new things that came out before Friday, and I'm actually really glad that I went because I found some cool stuff. So even though it's a small haul, it's definitely worth watching because I found some new interesting things you're gonna want to see. So if you want to see what I found from Dollar Tree this week, then just stay tuned. Alright, so let's get it started. I got a couple of beauty items and I saw this a few times ago, didn't pick it up. I'm actually running out of my face powder, so I decided this time I would pick it up since there was only a few left. I was thinking maybe it's really good because it's getting sold out, and it's the LA Colors loose powder. So they have a pressed powder formula and they also have this loose powder, but this loose powder is kind of new and I don't know, it looks like it could sneaky be really good. So I want to try it out for you guys and let you know if this is a good face setting powder. It says it's a lightweight formula. I got the shade light medium. So yeah, hopefully it works out. I have high hopes because I have really been liking this LA Colors makeup brand. I also picked up another set of Ione Lashes because this was the only one left on the display, and I was like, you know what? They're selling out, so I'm just gonna pick it up because they look cute. I'm just gonna pick it up though because who knows when they're gonna get more. So this is the Wispy Doll Full, and I have not purchased this one yet, but it looks really cute and piecey, so I think I will like it. And you know, you can't go wrong with these lashes for $1. They were so pretty when I had them on that other makeup look, and I just want to make sure I have them stocked up for when I really start to do my makeup a lot. And I got some hair stuff. My Dollar Tree finally stocked up on their hair items, their hair accessories, because honestly, y'all, I was starting to wonder what is going on because my Dollar Tree had not gotten new hair stuff in a hot minute. And I was like, a girl needs some headbands because it's hot and I just want to hold my hair back sometimes, but sometimes I don't want just a ponytail and I don't want to put hairspray, but I need the flyaways gone. And they didn't have those regular like cloth, you know, those like thick band cloth headbands, and they finally got some in. Now they don't have like a bunch of fun cool colors, and they don't have like the brand name like Scoonchy or Goody or anything, but I was still happy to find some neutrals that would work for me because the other set that they had was brown and tan, and I was like, that's not gonna really match with anything, but you get 3 of these for $1, which is a really good deal. It's kind of like a spandexy feel. It feels like bandage spandex, I don't know, but you get a white, a black, and a gray, and that's perfect because it can match all of my outfits, and I just need that for when I'm too lazy to do my hair and I want it out of my face. And then I got so excited about this, you guys. If you are a 90s baby, you're gonna flip right now. You are honestly going to flip. So look at this. And I know that this is just Dollar Tree brand, but I've never seen these there. And I was actually looking for these on Amazon like a week ago because I was like, I remember I used to wear these when I was younger, and when you have like curly or like just natural hair and you wear this, it makes it look so cute. It makes it look like you have those little twisties on, but you don't, it's just a headband. And I was like, that's really interesting. I want to try these again, like, because this was just so nostalgic, you guys. Like, let me know if you're a 90s baby in the comments, and if you remember wearing these headbands. Sometimes they were annoying because they stuck you and it was like frustrating, but honestly sometimes it's cool. Like if you don't want to straighten your hair, you can just put some like mousse in it and like get the waves or the curls going and put this in there, and kind of looks like you tried even though you didn't. So I was like, let's pick it up. You get 4 of them. You get 2 black and 2 of those turquoisey brown ones, and we're gonna see how these do. Like, this was, I honestly like bought this for like nostalgia reasons, but I also was looking through all kinds of headbands like I used to wear when I was younger, and I came across them on Amazon for like, I want to say like they were charging you like $4 for one of them, and you get 4 of these for $1. So I was like, let's pick it up. Got some Panasonic double batteries. I feel like I don't have any stash of batteries and I'm bound to need them, so I picked up just a 4-pack of the Panasonic. I also picked up another box of these Toy Story gummies because my kids absolutely love them. They just finished the last ones today and they're obsessed, and I saw that their food was fully stocked today. So I guess Wednesdays is a good day to go for like food items because they were fully stocked and they had a lot of these. So I definitely picked one up for my kiddos because you just can't beat this deal, and they love gummies. And I did end up getting another one of these Dermasil lotions because I tried it and my daughter tried it and I actually really like it. You guys, somebody said in my comments that this sucks, but it was so moisturizing and so thick. Like, I have to disagree. I think that this is a very, very good lotion when you have severely dry skin, and my daughter and I have such dry skin. It's like if I put regular lotion, I feel like it soaks it up immediately and I'm back to being like the Sahara Desert on my legs. It's so frustrating, and my feet especially. This works really well on your feet. Like, you lather up, like put a lot of this on your feet and then put some socks on and sleep. Oh my gosh, you guys, this really works. So that's why I bought another one, because I'm gonna give her that one to keep in her room. And then I went and I was like borrowing hers and I was like, okay, I need to buy my own because I need some severe dry skin lotion, and this works. On to more new stuff. Okay, this isn't new, but it's new to me. I figured I should update my brush, and I love my brush so much, but it's kind of getting dirty and dingy. You know, I've had it for like years already. So I really want to give this detangling brush a try, and I just kind of want to see how it does. If I like how it works, I'll get one for my daughter as well. But this is the Detangler Brush. I know it's supposed to be a dupe of something, but I was lucky to find it in a silver color, which I thought was really cool. You guys know I love gray. Otherwise, they have like bright purple, bright pink, and bright blue, and I was like kind of not about those because they look a little bit youthful, like too youthful. Not that I'm not trying to be youthful, but I'm saying like they look like children's brushes. So I was excited to find this one, and it's a weird shape, but I don't know, I'm just intrigued. And this just doesn't feel like it's really gonna do much, but I want to try it for you guys and I want to let you know if I like it. So I bought this detangling brush. Okay, people are starting to park around me and that's kind of awkward. Also, I'm like sweating because I had to turn down my air conditioner to be able to talk to you guys. Okay, I got one last like beauty hair product, and I had been seeing this for a while and I was like, I don't know if I want to try it. And then I keep seeing these pamper routines where everybody's saying it really helps with their dry flakes or their dandruff, and I was like, you know, I keep complaining about my dry scalp. I need to try this product. It's only $1. So I picked up one of these massagers, but this is for your hair, for like when you shampoo. You just rub this around and it's supposed to help your, wow, Christian. You like hold it like this and you massage your shampoo in, and it's supposed to help your dry flakes not be so bad. So I picked one up in gray. They had pink and they had, I think, like green too. But I picked one up because I really want to try it and see how it does. Ooh, my phone's getting hot. Hopefully it doesn't turn off. I also picked up this cute little cat toy. They got new colors in their little like stick cat toys, and my cat goes through these like crazy. She's always breaking them because she's all rough and crazy. So I get her a new one every few months, so I figured I would pick this one up for her so the kids could play with her. And it's got purple, pink, and white, and I just thought it was super cute. So I always love getting my kitty little presents here and there. Uh-oh, the tag fell off of this one. Alright, so if you guys watch my vlogs, you know that I encountered a scorpion recently in my home. And it's lucky that I didn't step on it because my cute little kitty found it for me. But now I want to make sure that me and the kids are wearing slippers. Just in case we step on it. So I found these and I've never tried them. And honestly, they don't feel like they're going to be comfortable. I'm just telling you right now, these do not feel good quality at all. They are like a ripoff, but I haven't put them on my feet yet and I haven't walked in them, so I'm gonna give them a chance. And it's really just to walk around in my house, you know, it's really just to use in the house. And I've never tried them before, and I've seen a lot of people who've hauled them before, so I was like, you know, even though it's kind of like gimmicky, I just want to try it. So these are fur flip-flops. They have a bunch of different patterns and colors. They have like army print with pink, regular army print, cheetah print. They have pink. They have all kinds of stuff, but I found gray, and I haven't found like a neutral color like this. I've seen these around. I've never seen a neutral color, so I picked it up because I thought, you know, that's a little bit cuter than like pink camo. That's not for me. So I got this cute little light gray pair in the size large because I'm an 8.5 and the 7/8 just looked a little bit too small. So I'd rather them be a little bit bigger than smaller. So I picked these up to try. I will let you know what I think in a vlog, of course, like everything else. This is a really random pickup, but lately I've been feeling like annoyed with holding my keys. And I remember I used to use lanyards all the time, lanyards. And I haven't used one in a while. So when I was in the pet section, these were randomly hanging on one of those strips. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to pick it up because I like to have my keys right here because they're easily accessible. But like if I don't have pockets, like right now I'm wearing leggings and I don't have pockets, it's like annoying to put them into my backpack, zip it up and then put it on my back and then take it off and then unzip it. You know what I'm saying? So I picked up, they have a bunch of different lanyards, and this one I thought was adorable because it has like a frappuccino, it has like boba tea, it has donuts, it has a coffee cup, and they all have little faces on them, like a to-go coffee cup, a mug. I mean, I thought it was like so adorable with all these donuts and frappuccinos and boba tea and coffee. I thought it was super cute. It's got this little light seafoam teal green background, and I was like, that's good enough, that'll work, because I'm gonna put my keys on that. And the last 3 items I have to share are pretty cool. So this one, let me know if you've ever seen something like this, because I have never ever seen something like this. But this is for your Apple Watch. It's a stand for your Apple Watch. So this might either be in the phone section or by the register. I found mine by the register, but I could also imagine them putting it by the phone section. So they had different colors. I got mine in black because, you know, I just want it neutral. And I'm gonna open this up for you guys so we can check it out together and see what this looks like. I don't want to break a nail though. All right, so it says it fits the Apple Watch. It's a smartwatch stand. Hold or store your smartwatch. Snug fit cable holder. I thought this was a very great idea actually, because whenever I'm charging my watch or whenever I just take it off for the night, I don't really know where to set it down, and so it's kind of like just anywhere. I just set it anywheres. Whoa, okay. So first impression, there's literally glue still on this, so like, guys, get it together. Oh, you know what? I think they glued it to the box. Okay, well, it comes off easily enough. But it has a little pad on the bottom so it doesn't slip around on your desk or your table or your nightstand. And then you put, actually I have my watch here so we can try it out. It feels like heavy enough, which is cool. Oh, I get it. This is so cool, you guys. So when you're charging it, you put your charger right here. You know how it's a circle for the Apple Watch? And the cord goes down here. And then you set your watch right here and you charge it. This is cool for $1, guys. And you could even, you know, buckle it up if you want to. Guys, I think this is a really good idea. For $1, I think that's pretty cool. I like it. I think I'm definitely gonna get some use out of that because, like I said, like I'll just be getting ready for bedtime and I'll just like put it on my bathroom sink, or it ends up on my vanity, or it's on my nightstand, or it's on the floor. Like, I'm telling you, I keep it in random spots. So I really like the idea of this. Sorry, I'm like sweating and I already sanitized myself, guys, and but I'm just like sweating so bad because it's hot in here. But I really like the idea of this. I think that's really cool for $1. I bet you anything, if you go look on Amazon, this is going to be way more than $1, like anything like this anyways. So yeah, that's what the box looks like, you guys. And like I said, they have different colors. I can't remember what colors they had, but I thought that was like the coolest find of this whole haul. And then I got 2 phone accessories. I wanted to get a new phone case. I had seen phone cases there last time and I didn't pick them up. This one kind of has a bunch of scratches on it and it's camo. And the only reason I have a camo phone case is because I found it at the thrift store for $1. It's the Kendall and Kylie brand from Walmart. And I don't know, I'm just kind of tired of the camo, and I love the way my phone looks in general. I wish I didn't have to have a case, but I feel safer with one. So I figured I should just get the clear. But they actually had a lot of cute phone cases if you want to check it out. They had like rose gold, they had mirror, they had a basket weave, they had a clear one that had a mandala, like a pink and purple mandala print on it, and they had a bunch of cute stuff for $1. I thought that was pretty cool. But these are just the rubbery ones. It's basically the same thing I have on now, but it's clear, and I like it because it just matches everything because my phone is white. So yeah, I have the iPhone X, so I got the iPhone X. And then I also picked up a Ring phone holder. I've seen a lot of people use these for tons of things, DIYs and whatever, but most importantly, they say that the stick on this is very, very good. So I kind of want to use this on here because I love having a pop socket or like something to hold. And since my other one broke, I haven't had one. And I just love lavender lately, guys. I don't know why, but I'm like obsessed with like light purple right now. So I picked this up and I'm going to change my phone case tonight. And I just thought it was super cute, and I kind of want to see how it works out. I kind of want to see how quality the case is and the ring holders. So that is my Dollar Tree haul for you guys today. I really hope that it was enjoyable and that I showed you some new products that you hadn't seen before, so you could keep your eyes peeled in the store for those products. And sorry, I'm so sweaty. We're just gonna pretend I'm glowing, and this is a product from Sephora when really it's just au naturel. But if you liked this haul and you like my Dollar Tree hauls, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing because I do Dollar Tree hauls very often and Walmart clearance and all kinds of vlogs. And you know, I'm about saving the money, so if you like saving the money, then please subscribe. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.